everybody. Today we are in a historic place. Name is Indra Patra Fortress. Let's see.
Indra Patra Fortress is one of Aceh tourism heritages that was built by the Royal Lamuri, the first Hindu kingdom in Aceh in the period before the arrival of Islam in Aceh, around 700 AD. During the reign of Sultan Iskandar Muda, the fort was built in a strategic position for dealing directly with the waterway, thus serving as a bastion of the Portuguese fleet attack. At the time, with a powerful fleet of Sultan Iskandar Muda, under the command of Admiral Malahayati, the first female admiral in the world, the fort was used to be a defense Aceh Darussalam kingdom.
The fort is has large and sturdy construction, with adequate architecture that made of limestone concrete. Nowadays, the only remaining of the building is the bastion number 2. It was the door fort that destroyed by the tsunami. At early beginning of the building, there were 3 major forts remaining fortresses. The largest fortress measuring 70 by 70 meters with a height of 3 meters. There was also a large and sturdy room measuring 35 by 35 meters and 4 meters high. Browse estimated on weekly edge too. The design of the building looks so special and sophisticated. History said that only way to reach the inside of the castle was climbing.